Good morning students. Students, in the previous lecture we have started exercise 2.1. So before proceeding to the next exercise, we will make a quick revision of that. Okay. So what are whole numbers? Yes, whole number starts from 0. 0 up to infinity are known as whole numbers. Okay. 0 with the natural numbers are known as whole numbers. So, what are predecessors of whole numbers and successors? If we subtract 1 to any number, so it will give us predecessors of that number. Suppose if I am giving example to find out the predecessor of 12. So, predecessor of 12 will be after subtracting 1 we will get 11. So, predecessor of 12 is 11. If I add 1 to the 12, so it will give me 13. So, successor of 12 will be 13. So, in this way, predecessor and successor we can find. Okay? And we have done many questions related to it. Now, we further proceed to the next exercise, which is exercise 2.2. And we have started its first and second question. We have already done its first and second question. So, we will do question number third. Okay. Find the value. Its question is 297 into 17 plus 297 into 3. Now students, I already explained you the properties of the whole numbers. What are they? Commutative property, associative property, distributive property and closure property. Okay. So, how it looks like? Which property we can apply on this? Yes, we can apply distributive property because in distributive property, if there is a question like this, 2 into 3 plus 2 into 5. So, we can take 2 common here and we can write it as 3 plus 5. Okay, because 2 is common in both the numbers. Okay, so we can take 2 common, means out of this bracket, and in the bracket we can put 3 plus 5. Okay, because plus sign is there, so we can put plus sign. Understood? Now, in this question also, we can apply distributive property like this because 297 in both the numbers. Okay. So, by applying distributive property, okay. So, what will come? 297 will be common here and 17 plus 3. Okay. We need to find out the value of this by applying any property. Okay. So, 297 into 17 plus 3. So, what is 17 plus 3? It will be 20. Now, it will be easier for us to multiply with 20. So, put 0 here. 2 7s are 14. 1 carry. 2 9s are 18. Plus 1 19. And 2 2s are 4 1 5. So, 5940 will be our answer. Okay. Now, next question is also same like this. We will proceed to fourth part of this question. Okay, question number third. We will do fourth part of the question number third. Fourth part of this question is different from this. Second and third part is your homework. Okay. So, fourth part of this is 3845 into 5 plus 782 plus 769, okay, into 25 into 218. So, how we will solve this? We can make it as a distributive property. Okay. So, 3845 into 5. Okay. convert it into 5 into 5, we can write it as 5 into 5. So plus 769 into 5 into 5 into 218. Understood? Now 3845 plus 5 into 782 plus, we will multiply this. 5 9s are 45, 4 carry, 5 6 are 30 plus 3 will come, and 5 7s are 35 and 38. Okay, into 5 into 218. Okay, now 3845 into 5 is common in both the terms, so we can take it as common by applying distributive property. Okay, now 782 plus 218, because these terms are common in both the terms. Okay, so we can take this common by applying distributive property. Okay, understood everyone? Now add these terms. 3845 into 5 into 8 plus 2 10, 1 carry, 8 plus 1 9 plus 1 10, 1 carry, 7 plus 2 9 or 1. This will come 5 5 is 25, 5 4 is 20 or 22, 2 carry, 5 8 is 42, 4 carry, 5 3 is 15, again 19 into 100. So our answer will be 192225 and these 20. So this will be our answer. Understood everyone? So what we have done in this question? We have applied what? Distributive property. Okay, because these terms are common, and here 25 is given, so we break it into 5 into 5 because we have to apply the distributive property to make the terms common. Understood? Now further proceed to the next question. Question number 4 is find the product using suitable properties. Okay, so in question number 4 we have to apply suitable property like this only, है ना? Now its first question is (738) into 103. Now in question number 3 we saw that if we are applying the property, so it was like this, 2 into 5. It was like this, and we make it as 2 into 3 plus 5. Now the question is given in this format, so we will apply the identity and make it into this format. Okay, and we will find out its product. Understood? Now we will make it as, we can write 103 as 100 plus 3. Getting my point? What I am doing? I am writing 100 plus 3. 103 is given, so I am writing 100 plus 3 because I want to apply distributive property. Okay, and distributive property if I am applying, so it will break it in this format. Okay, so 738 into 100 plus sign is given 738 into 3. If I am writing like this, so if I am taking common, so it will become in this format. Okay, so 738 into 100 plus 738 into 3. Now it will be easier for us to multiply with 100. 738 1 is 738 and this 00 plus 3 8 is 24, 2 carry, 3 3 is 9 plus 2 11, 1 carry, 7 3 is 21 plus 22. Now add these terms. So 4 plus 0 is 4, 1 plus 0 is 1, 8 plus 2 is 10, 3 plus 2 is 5, then 6, 7. 7 6 0 1 4, 4 1, 8 plus 2 10, 3 plus 2, 5, 6 and this 7. Understood everyone? Now the format was in this, okay? This question was in this format and we make it into this format and we find out its product. Understood? Now rest of the questions you can solve by yourself. In its second part you can convert 102 as 100 plus 2, okay? And in its third part you can apply that 1000 plus 8. You can write 1008 as 1000 plus 8 and you can solve like this only. And in its fourth part you can apply 1000 plus 5. You can write 1005 it as 1000 plus 5 and you can apply distributive property. Understood? Now question number 5 is, question number 5 is, a taxi driver filled his car petrol tank with 40 liters of petrol on Monday. The next day he filled the tank with 50 liters of petrol. If the petrol cost 44 per liter, how much he spent in all on petrol? Okay. Now I am asking you that if a pen costs for 10 rupees, if one pen costs for 10 rupees, so how much it will cost if you purchase 10 pens? Okay, so you will reply that 10 into 10 means 100. Okay, 10 pens will cost for 100 rupees. Okay, now if I am asking you that if a chocolate is cost for 15 rupees, so how much it will cost if you purchase what? 10 chocolates. So 15 tens are 150. So 15 chocolates will cost you, 10 chocolates will cost you 150 rupees. Okay. So petrol cost of 1 liter petrol is 44 rupees. So they are asking that how much he is spending all on petrol. So you have to add the quantity of petrol. Okay. How much he consumed. Okay. So a taxi driver filled his car petrol tank with 40 liters of petrol on Monday. So on Monday he requires 40 liters of petrol. Okay, 40 liters. And in next day he filled the tank with 50 liters. Means next day is Tuesday. On Tuesday he filled with 50 liters. Okay. So if the petrol costs 44 rupees per liter, how much did he spend in all on petrol? Okay. So cost of 1 liter of petrol is rupees 44. Okay. So total total petrol in liters will be what? 40 plus 50. Okay. So he filled 90 liters in 2 days. Okay. 90 liters. And cost of 1 liter petrol is 44. Okay. So multiply that 44 with 90. So you will get the total cost spent on petrol. So cost of 90 liters of petrol will be what? 90 into 44. So it will be 3960. Okay, understood everyone? What they are saying that on Monday he filled 40 liters of petrol and on next day he filled 50 liters of petrol. So total petrol he filled was 90 liters and cost of 1 liter petrol is 44. So if you will multiply that 44 with 90, you will get the total cost he spent on petrol. Understood? And the next question for this exercise is, a vendor supplies 32 liters of milk to a hotel in the morning and 68 liters of milk in the evening. If the milk costs rupees 15 per liter, how much money is due to the vendor per day? You can solve this question as question number 5 because you have to add the quantity of milk, means it is given in liters. So if you will add 32 and 68, you will get the total liters of milk, and if you will multiply with 15, you will get the per day. Per day he spent on milk. Okay, the vendor spent on milk. It's per day consumption or its expiration on milk. Okay. Now the next question is match the following. So I already explained you how to find out the properties of the whole numbers. Okay. So in first 425 into 138. I'll solve this. Question number 7. Its first question is 425 into 136. Okay. Now you can apply what 425 into. You can write it as 100 plus 30 plus 6. Okay. So in this you can apply distributive property. So this will be a distributive property like this: 425 into 100 plus 425 into 30 plus 425 into 6. So this will be your distributive property. Now in second, what we have done, 2 into 49 into 50 is equals to 2 into 50 into 49. 2 into 49 into 50 is equals to 2 into 50 into 49. So in this you can see that arrangement gets changed. Arrangement means 50 comes before 49. So if arrangement gets changed, arrangement of the terms gets changed, so it will be your what? Say commutativity under multiplication. It will be your commutative law. Okay. Now third is, and if you are taking common, so it will be your distributive property, and arrangement of the terms gets changed, so it will be your commutative property. Okay. Next question is 80 plus 2005 plus 20 is equals to 80 plus 20 plus 2005. Okay, and here arrangement gets changed but under addition. Here was commutativity under multiplication, and in this question commutativity under addition. So in this way you can find out the property, or you can determine the properties of a whole number. If arrangement of the terms get changed, so it will be commutativity, and if multiplication sign is there, so it will be commutativity under multiplication, and if there is addition sign, so it will be commutativity under addition. Okay, and if we are taking common of the terms, so it will be distributive law. Okay, distributive property of multiplication over addition. Multiplication over addition. This is known as multiplication over addition. Distributive property of multiplication under addition. If minus sign is there, so it will be distributive property under subtraction. Okay. Now we have solved many questions of this. From tomorrow we will start next exercise. Okay. I hope you understood the concept of this, and rest of the question which I have not done on the blackboard. So it is for your homework, and these are your practice questions. And if you have any doubt, you can ask. Okay. Thank you.